I got the Boba Fett helmet from Metal Earth Star Wars collection type of sheet. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I struggled a lot with this model, and you're gonna see the struggle, but here's my model. I really messed up. This is the first time I was building these types of helmets, but honestly, the pieces did not seem to be wanting to fit. I probably should have made this not as tall, possibly. I don't know, it's too late now. I messed up a bunch of times too. It's just inexperience. My other helmets are a lot better. I'm just sad it was the Boba Fett one. I shouldn't have built this first, but that's okay. But here you go, Boba Fett. Got a side view. Just learn from my mistake. Attaching this green piece with the red piece here. Like, make it not as tall. See if I can fix it actually. A little better, but yeah, the piece is not working out at all. A whole bunch of models. I'm gonna just show you an update of the stuff I've already built. It's just stacks upon stacks. So let's go on my turntable. My Listerine bottle turntable. Get some angles on this, some angles on his little scope, his bust. Okay, that's it.